Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another product spotlight looking at Abbate Y La Mantia. Well, this Italian-based company has been making shaving soap for a while, and they are also in the perfuming business, the candles, the body care business. They're really all things to do with wellness. And their real big claim to fame is the usage of saffron. Saffron is an herbal spice that's actually quite hard to gather and get. I guess it comes from, like, if you wanted 1 kilo of saffron, their website says you have to pick 150,000 flowers. So it comes from a flower, it's an extract, and it's quite like a hand laborious process to get all this. So it's valuable. It's been used for a long time. As I was looking at their website, it says that people as far back as like Egypt times were using this stuff. So in the Greeks, it's always been kind of associated with health and elixir of youth. And then now science has actually shown all these cellular benefits and B vitamins and rejuvenation and cellular repairing. So it's something that's just good all around for your skin and your body health. So a great ingredient, and I guess it's kind of like their hallmark in all their different products they make. These guys are based out of Tuscany, specifically out of Grosseto. And it's a famous, walled city, right? And they've been making it there for a long time. And I was trying to figure out if this name meant something. It doesn't. It's actually just the names of, I think, the two founders. There's a doctor, Abbate, and then another founder, La Mantia. So that's their names. It doesn't have a snappy kind of ring to it, but they use more of the abbreviations. You see the AYLM kind of as their little seal, little crest on a lot of their products. But we're really excited to carry it. It's been on the shaving market. I've seen some reviews, other wet shavers, YouTube channels, calling this out and reviewing and using it. We will obviously have to get it back in here because I'm a fan of Italian products. I love Parasso and Cella, and we'll have to get these guys back in here. Some of these packages just look really, they're beautiful. They're very well designed, and the products look like they're just super high quality in terms of how they're made. I mean, look at that. It's a nice little kind of cake of soap in here. It's a hard soap, so very similar to like Taylorville Bond Street. We're going to put this maybe out of the dish. You could use this dish, absolutely. You could turn it over and take the plastic wrapping off and just use this dish. But I think the real point is to put this like in a separate bowl. And that's pretty traditional, right? But their name and logos impressed on here. So yeah, I can smell through the packaging. It's very floral, very fragrant. This stuff looks super high quality. It even includes donkey milk. So another great thing that a lot of people are using these days are just different kinds of fats and different kinds of milks. So it's got all the good stuff for your body. It has saffron right here. They're calling it zafferano. Zafferano, I guess that's Italian for saffron. Excited to have it at the store and for our customers. And yeah, we'll have to get this in here. Maybe this one that says Matteo, because Matt, right? But that's what we got. Let's take a few minutes to look at some of the scents and see how they sound. Well, first up we got Fufflins, and its aroma is described as divine. And specifically, that means that it's going to smell kind of in the green family. It's going to have fougere, almost like cut grass. It's lactonic. And of course, it has the donkey milk base, and it has the saffron in there. Next up is Don Jose, and they describe their aroma as banana ice. It's tropical, woody, fresh, and it actually features coconut oil, menthol, and saffron. Next up, we have Botero, and this is an aroma described as marama leather. And it is leathery, it's white, powdery, and it also has cosmetic elements of wheat germ oil and saffron. And lastly, we have Matteo 911, and its aroma profile is myrrha, which is spicy, woody, and dried fruit. It has cosmetic elements of dead sea mud and saffron. Well, that is all there is to know about Abbate Y La Mantia, this Tuscan Italian brand. I mean, look at the packaging alone. Super, super cool. I like it a lot. Very well designed and packaged, and if the quality is anything to do with the way they put their products together, I'm sure it'll be amazing. I'm excited to try it. If you have one of these that you think I need to try, tell me in the comments. If you own one at home and you've tried a few, which one's your favorite? I want to know that too. Again, we always ask the companies or the artisans which ones we should pick up, and this is what we've begun with, and hopefully it starts moving and our customers like it, and we'll carry more and more of it. So that's all I got. Please leave a comment. Tell me all about this brand. brand and your favorite one, and if you do, enter to win one of these, a Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all I got, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks.